In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a seamless loop video with OpenArt AI. Start by heading to the OpenArt website. From the homepage, look to the left-hand sidebar and click on Video. This takes you into the suite of video tools designed for generating animations from simple inputs. The interface is clean, so don't worry if you're new. Everything we need is right here. Next, choose the option labeled Text with Reference. This mode turns a written prompt into motion while keeping the subject consistent frame to frame, which is exactly what we want for a loop. Consistency is key. The fewer unexpected changes between frames, the cleaner your loop will feel when it restarts. Now, pick a model. Each model has its own strengths. For looping scenes, select one known for smooth, stable motion and cohesive lighting. If you're unsure, start with a general purpose model and remember you can come back and try alternatives later for a different look or feel. In the prompt field, type endless neon rain falling in cyberpunk city, smooth cinematic motion, seamless loop, atmospheric lighting. Prompts like this work well because they combine subject, motion, and mood. Including a phrase such as seamless loop tells the engine to pay special attention to the transition point. You can add small clarifiers, for example, emphasizing atmospheric lighting helps reduce harsh flickers that could break the loop, but keep it concise. The goal is to guide the system without overloading it. Move to the sound effects section. Decide whether you want ambient audio. A subtle rain texture can enhance immersion, but if you plan to add your own soundtrack later, keep it muted here to avoid conflicts. Set the mode based on your priorities. A faster mode is great for previews and quick iteration. If you're aiming for a final, polished output, a higher quality mode can deliver more stable frames and cleaner motion, which often translates to a smoother loop. Configure the output. Choose the resolution and aspect ratio that fit your destination, like square for feeds or vertical for stories. Shorter durations often loop more cleanly and feel more natural. Aim for a few seconds so the motion reads clearly without obvious starts or stops. Keep the frame rate consistent with where you'll share it to avoid judder. When everything looks good, click Generate. The system will render your video. Once it's ready, play it a few times to confirm the transition feels invisible. If you notice a small hitch, minor prompt tweaks or a different model can smooth it out. And that's it. Your seamless loop video is ready.